various sources of information, must be careful to faithfully represent that information to management. This involves recognizing and reconciling sources of information that may be inconsistent or ambiguous. The final introductory point about this module is that it shows many of the reasons why the management accountant has to work closely with the financial accountant. The current reporting obligations for a listed entity mean that internal events which may affect market price or company valuation require timely market disclosure. The management accountant is likely to possess or generate some of this information. PDF Folio 45. Understanding who the external stakeholders are can help to understand how the stakeholders are affected by the entity. Of course, financial accounting systems are a critical source for the management accountant's work, even though they are supplemented by other sources. For example, non-financial performance measures and operational information sourced from enterprise resource planning systems. The management accountant may have multiple internal stakeholders who rely on the information they provide. This may be to use financial accounting reports to help non-financial managers interpret monthly budget versus actual variance reports. However, where these internal stakeholders are making future-oriented decisions, the management accountant will need to provide additional information to support capital expenditure proposals, process improvements, cost savings, etc. Management accountants use financial accounting information, but because it is historical information, it may be less relevant to internal stakeholders, particularly management, who need not only more granular data, but data that is more current, or even prospective. For example, in making decisions about future pricing, purchasing new equipment, introducing new products, etc., the management accountant will need to provide current or future estimates of costs rather than historic costs. The management accountant will also use various tools and techniques to assist in forecasting future revenues and cash flows, using data that is not contained in the financial accounting system. This module is concerned with information, management accounting and the systems that unite them. The management accountant prepares information for different stakeholders, both internal and external to the organization.